Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Yeah. Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
It's two ZVX 18s with a DDM5.
Okay.
With 9 amp hours of lithium and two 370s on the hood. CES 370.
Nice. Looks good. You built all of it?
Yep.
Awesome. Nice work, man. Can I see the back?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
It's open.
All right. Nice. 37 Customs. What is this wired to?
Half of them.
Half of them, okay. I like your cooling system.
Thank you.
That's pretty cool. So one is pushing and one sucking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, not exactly.
Oh, you go in both ways. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. I'll just look real quick. Is that if I look in the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I like to look in everything. Whew. What was it tuned to?
It was 44.
40.
We did a blade to 30 to load up about 55 or 60.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, your voltage is solid.
Now,
Yeah.
last year it
Yeah.
wasn't.
No. What kind of battery is this?
It's just a blank.
A blank.
Just a
Oh,
blank.
okay.
The only thing in the truck.
Yeah, you in the back. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Sit in that one right there.
I will. Yes, sir.
I actually turned it down at that amp. It was supposed to be 16.2, but it don't like it.
It doesn't?
It don't like it. I had to turn it down about 16.4. So.
Wow. This sounds really good.
A lot different last year.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kick them off on the porch, might have a little bit. gonna get so fancy. Gotta blend it up. Right off there tonight. You're home, don't worry, babe. I'm gonna kick 'em off on the porch. Might have a little bit. Just right off them tonight. Get so fancy.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.